throw these mats away because they're old. These stair mats. Why did I use them? These stair mats. And my mom got some new ones. But of course I have to sweep and clean this before I put that. Okay, let's go do this. All this stuff thrown away. This is from the bathroom. I put bleach in my bathroom. Not for your clothes type of bleach, the bleach for, the bathroom, the spray. I put that, and then now I'm gonna go put this in the garage because that's where we have our washer and dryer. Okay, I'm gonna go outside because I'm gonna water my mom's plants, and I use these two sunscreens. Are like, why two? This one for my face, it's the lotion, and then this one for my body because it's the spray. So yeah, well, let's go outside. Okay, I'm sunscreen protected, and it doesn't matter what type of skin tone you have, you need to protect your skin with sunscreen because the sun is really strong and it can damage your skin, so protect your skin. Okay, I'm gonna go turn on. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna turn the water on. I'm gonna dump this right here. You guys can't see. I'm gonna dump this into the plants, or else I'm gonna spill it everywhere. Now I have to do this. I have my stuff here. I'm gonna probably have to talk loud because the fan. I have my stuff here, soap, and then these other sprays and wipes. That's how I clean the bathroom, and that's how I think my mom used to do it too. So I'm gonna clean this big up room. I'll be playing music, so probably I will speed this up, of course. I'm probably gonna speed me cleaning up when I'm editing this part because I want to listen to music, because who cleans in silence? I used to, but then I got bored of it, so I'm gonna play some music. But you guys are gonna see me. I probably will put music in the background, copyright free, because I can't play the music I'm gonna be playing. Sadly. Now I'm gonna go clean my bathroom. This is one of the bathrooms I just cleaned. Now I'm gonna clean mine, and then I have one more. There's 3 bathrooms here. This is a half bathroom. So I'm gonna go clean that. Clean the floors down here. Have to go do that. Yeah. If you guys don't clean your house, I'm not sure. I feel like cleaning your house is good. You don't have to clean your house every single day. There's probably people that do it. I just do it once a week, which is good because your house is staying clean. And yeah, or you can clean it every day, you know, whatever you do, you know. But I do it once a week because it's good to keep your floors clean, your bathroom clean especially, because yeah. So let's go to my bathroom and clean. If you're also cleaning too while I'm cleaning my house. This is my parents' bathroom, and the reason why I want to show you guys this because if you don't know, if you didn't watch my last vlog, then yeah, I don't know what it is. Can I? Okay, let's sort this out. The reason why I'm showing you guys my parents' bathroom. Yeah, I didn't show you guys me cleaning it because I already cleaned 2 bathrooms in this house, so why would I show you me cleaning? Of course I showed you me cleaning the floor, but I'm saying like the toilet and the sink and the mirrors, I'm not going to show you that because I already did that with the other bathrooms, so it's just going to be repeat, you know? So, but the reason why I wanted to show you guys my parents' bathroom is because they're going to renovate everything, so I wanted to do it before, so then you guys... It will be in the next vlog because this is a cleaning video, like me just cleaning the house, so yeah. But I don't know if she's gonna change, probably, because if she's renovating everything, so she's probably gonna change the mirror. What's up, ghosts? She's gonna change the counter in the sink, so I'm gonna show you that, how it looks right now, and then she's gonna change this, because, yeah, and then she's gonna change her flooring, because, yeah, I don't know anything like what she's gonna do to it. She didn't want to show me. She wants to surprise me. So yeah. And then the toilet, she wants to change that. Not my hair either. And if you're like, I'm not even in frame. And if you're like, why do you want to change your toilet? And if you say, oh, is it maybe not flushy right? Because you know, most of the toilets do that when they're old and you need. No, we already did that. We got new toilets in all of our bathrooms because they were from either the 80s or 90s. Like, we hadn't changed them. And we had to change them because every time you would flush, it doesn't matter which one you go to the bathroom, you know, like 1, 2. It would just clog up. Like, are you kidding me? So we had to get a new one, but my bathroom, like you guys saw, they would not want to, the people that would fix it, they didn't want to do it. And then finally some person said, oh yeah, you gotta change it because something with the water and blah blah blah, that's why it's not flushing. I'm like, why didn't the other people say that? Because every time I would flush, it would just go up the water. Love that. But my mom wants to change this. It's a good toilet, it flushes fine, it's just the sound. It's so loud. It goes shh, no. Something like that, but it's so loud. Okay, now let's get on to the shower. So you see how this looks? You guys can't even see it. Okay, you see how that looks right there, the shower head? It's no longer going to look like that. I think it's going to be up here. I think it's going to be above this because my dad's taller. Why am I bumping into everything right now? My knee bumps into the toilet. My elbow bumps into the shower. Oh my god. Am I clumsy or am I not? So they're going to get a new shower head and a new one because I think, yeah, the guy that we know that's going to fix everything, he says this are not good, like, I guess they get annoying or something like that. I'm not a person that fixes stuff. And then my mom wants to remove this. She wants to remove that thing because what's the point of having that? No one sits in the shower. It's just you do whatever you need to do and get out, you know? Because he said, the guy that's going to do my parents' bathroom, because they have this kind at the store, but he says this is hard to clean, and I agree because probably this is built from the 90s or 80s, this thing, and I agree because I cleaned my parents' bathroom a bunch of times, and this, you see that thing is so difficult, like stuff like that is difficult to remove. So she got a clear one. That's all I know. That's all I know that she got for her bathroom, but everything else I do not know how she'll design it, how she wants it, because she wants to surprise me. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm going to come a little closer for you guys to see. So yeah, this is how the 90s or 80s stuff is, and you see like how it looks. She no longer wants it like this, and I can understand because look at that. And then there's also gold there. She just wants it modern looking and nice and not gold and this. And look, one that is good because this is not even secured good. One time I almost got stuck in here, girls. Yeah. So this is how it looks. And then the drain looks like that. You see? The floor, the toilet, everything. That's how it looks. So that's gonna be the last time you'll probably ever see it like this, because they're gonna renovate it after my birthday, a week after my birthday. So just remember, this is the before. I will probably do a video on this, like this is how it looked, this is how it is now, blah 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 blah, you know, because this is my cleaning video. This is how it looks now, this is how it looks before. I don't know how it's gonna look later, because my mom got all the designing stuff. My dad doesn't even know how it's gonna look either, so we're both gonna be surprised. You were like, yeah, that's Mocha and Nova right there. Okay, I'm gonna go take a shower because I gotta wash my hair. I already cleaned the whole house. I just gotta take a shower. So I'll see you guys when I get out. Not record myself. That's weird. I just finished taking a shower. As you see, I washed my hair. So this is the end of the video of me cleaning the whole entire house. And me showing you guys my parents' bathroom. That's not how it's gonna look anymore. That's the before, but I'll show you in another video because this is just the cleaning video. And here's Kitty. Kitty, what do you gotta say, Kitty? Kitty, look. Look right here. Look. Right here. Speak. Right here, speak.